Alright, about to begin the Mother's Day weekend, May 9th, 2025. CNH here, 2104, coming to Ladysmith, Wisconsin on the Canadian National Superior Submarine. I'm outpost 353.17 with a video lined up for you. Southbound on the way with a C6M rebuilt to lead it. Shoot him out on the roll by, was lean back and get him. End of train devices going. That is going to do it for the M344, 41 of the 8th. We'll do it for the new C6M rebuild of the 3379. And the ex-Citirail, the 2778, running second. Not bad at all. I'll take that. And that is going to do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin to begin the Mother's Day weekend. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. You have a great evening. Have a great weekend. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you down the main line. See you and haze out.